What's going on, everybody? This is Cleo Howard with Future Wealth Advisors. Some of y'all may know me as FWA Low. And we are now about to lock in and talking about how you can repair your own credit. This course is going to give you everything that you're looking for. It's going to give you, the history of credit. It's going to tell you about your laws. It's going to tell you about each quote unquote credit reporting bureau. It's going to go over all of the methods that you can use in order to repair your own credit. These are things that a lot of credit repair companies don't know, because a lot of times what they'll do is they'll just give you some templates, letters, and you send those off. They send those off. And the thing is, we'll provide you with a lot of template like those letters, but also we're going to get into some very deep knowledge where you can have your credit A1 within sometimes 60 to 90 days, sometimes even sooner, you know what I'm saying, depending on your credit report. But the thing is that make sure that you lock in with this course. You follow everything to a T. Whenever we say, this is homework, make sure you go do that. Make sure you do everything that you need to do. Now, I know that with this course, it's, what I'm saying, this is going to be some high level stuff, but also, make sure that you go through it. Because even though we said that we'll repair your credit, as you bought this course, but we want you to actually be knowledgeable as yourself. So before we get into it, just wanted to let you know that we thank you. We appreciate your trust in us, and we're going to make sure that we uphold our end in giving you next level knowledge when it comes to credit. So no longer waiting. Let's go ahead and get into it.